That was a bit thick, wasn't it? Oh my god, there was a fire. There was a fire.
Is there actually where?
There was, but it went out.
Oh.
Have you done it? Oh, have you got one? Yeah. I need mum to get that.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, never mind.
That is loud.
Not near a tree. The fence.
Nail what? Nail what? What is it?
Oh my god.
There you go.
Don't drop it on your foot, please.
No chance of dropping it in your head hole.
No. Just keep it away from me. I'm right on fire. I'm flammable.
You're flammable. So am I.
Mom, I'm trying to have some fireworks here. I appreciate it. Have one. It's on my hand.
Oh.
Oh, wait. You need to send me this video, by the way.
Oh.
How about you do that?
Let's see what works.
That's going to light the fence on fire.
I will light the fence
Why
on
don't you
fire.
Don't put it on there.
It'll do like the tree on fire either way.
Oh, Jesus. Oh,
It smells like fried egg.
It doesn't smell.
Cheers. You've got your holding yours the wrong way.
Oh shit, I am.
Imagine. Ready?
It's fucking stink.
Oh, it does. It smells like fried egg.
Smells like.
Oh, well, that one's
It went
gone.
over the house.
It did.
It went over the house.
Can you go out already? Thank
Is
you.
the lighter working now?
A little bit. Don't put it on top of
I have shaky hands.
You've got shaky hands, haven't you? I'm not trying to do it with fingers.
Right.
Like.
Hold on.
You know what's got a bit. Do you want one, James? Here you go.
A big one.
Alright. Oh, big one. And there. Still a big one. These ones are much bigger.
Whoa!
That was big.
It does.
oh, we did.
Look at
You
this.
get the rockets and you light it and fire the rockets at each other.
Look at this.
Your hands are freezing. No! I don't want to touch it. Hello.
Alright, don't worry about it. Because you're spinning it, it makes it hot.
I know it's going to fall out my hand.
Jensen,
Yeah?
come here.
Whoa.
Right?
Oh, that was just.
Yes. I don't touch it there.
just
Right, go. Yeah, you
oh.
touch it there, mate. Right, go. Come back now.
Yeah.
Yeah, come back.
Oh.
Oh,
Watch.
Oh, it stinks.
It does.
Granddad's done now. What's Granddad done?
What's Grandad doing?
Look at all the fireworks over there.
Where's the bag? That's it. I'm disappointed. Where's the bag? I'm disappointed. Disappointed there's no bag.
Look at one's over there.
See up there.
Yeah, they're in the field, aren't
In
they?
the field.
Yeah.
And that's not a field, that's a house, isn't it?
No, down there.
Like hold it like this.
Not really.
No. You kind of like it that way. It's
There you
hooked.
go, okay.
Is there name left? Sparklers. Sparklers.
Yeah, I've got some here.
I've got time, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Oh, you've got one.
Whoa.
Could have warned me.
Look at all the little bits.
Just set ablaze.
What are you doing?
It's freezing.
You want to set this one off?
Right, I want you to like that one there. See?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, stand back.
I'm going up the tunnel!
Go on, Caitlin.
I am the magician!
Yeah, quite rubbish. I don't know if you ever heard on the farms they use things called crowbangers. They're about that length.
What are you doing?
That was good. Wow, there. And top of the crowbanger there. And find that lost there somewhere. Do you like one?
No.
You winks. Come on, Jensen.
I'll probably light myself on fire.
There we go. Right, like, no. Caitlin's bunt with it, I'm not.
You want to set this one off?
Look at that, that's just so pretty.
This one's not be ours.
It's not fit for the
I'm going up the tunnel!
Oh.
Come on, Harry Potter.
I also did it more explosive.
They're quite
Fire.
crap, aren't they?
They are, they're not
Can you
right.
find that in your pot?
Is there any more in
Do
that
a
big
good
box?
one. Do the best one.
I'll just take it anyway.
Yeah, do that one, do that one.
That big and
Oh, is that the Golden Temple?
No, no.
I'll hold the phone for you.
Is that the Golden Temple, Grandad? The one you're holding?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Golden
What's
Temple. It's called the Golden Temple.
I don't know.
I don't know what it is, I've never had fireworks in my house.
It does.
Is it better?
yeah. I think the only thing that's better is the sparkle.
Have you already done that?
No, I've got two here. No, two of them still got stuff in.
Have you got no big ones? Right.
That's just a big one. No, it's just a small one. So. Two packages.
Stop. You see what I mean?
What? I'm
Yeah.
not doing it.
Keep scaring me.
Same thing, is it?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Are you back at school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Jensen's off tomorrow.
Yeah,
Well, keep off and you're rolling out.